Hi, my name is Paulis Matanabin. I'm one of the alumni from César Ritz College of Switzerland, and I'm doing the Management and Training Program F&B at Four Seasons Bangkok. I'd love to share what led me here and what the journey has been like. The number one reason I chose César Ritz College of Switzerland was academic excellence and real-world learning. Their strong foundation in Swiss hospitality standard and partnership with the top tier in the hospitality industry gave me confidence that I will get rounded education, and I also was drawn into the international environment. I have classmates from all over the world, and it shaped me how I see hospitality today. César Ritz College of Switzerland gave me more than knowledge. It helped me shape my mindset for future leadership. The courses in strategy, sustainability, and entrepreneurship were exactly what you need for a future leadership role. And the hands-on project, case study, and internship really make me think critically and live with intention, which I think are essential for all executives in or beyond hospitality. Well, each rotation is unique. At Viva de Fume, I started the hostess and then food runner, and then start taking guest order and ensure satisfaction. I also supported breakfast service and bar operation as well. At Jim Thompson, I managed the retail shop solo, handling inventory and daily tasks. Then at White Lotus, I assist with the afternoon tea, setting up table, polishing, and assisting also with the food running. Currently, I'm at Yuqing Yuan, our Chinese fine dining restaurant. My day begins with briefing with the team members, checking reservation, VIPs, and special menu items. So far, I'm mastering the basic service and the guest interaction. Adaptability, attention to detail, and strong service mindset. These are essential skills. In luxury, it's not about serving food, it's about creating memorable experience. I've always believed in the power of hospitality is to creating an emotional experience, and Four Seasons stood out for its personalized service and fostering future leaders. I know I learned from the best here. Each rotation have taught me something valuable. At Jim Thompson, I learned how to be independent and quick decision making. White Lotus taught me how important preparation is. At Viva, I learned how to interaction with guests in the professional level. Even though I'm not managing yet, I learned about workflow, about service standard and consistency. Be curious, stay open-minded, and don't be afraid to start from the ground up. Even if you're not managing right away, every detail matters. So ask questions, learn from everyone, and take every chance as a challenge to grow. Thank you for listening to my journey. I'm excited for what's next.